World Rivers Day is a celebration of the world's waterways. It highlights the many values of rivers and strives to increase public awareness and encourages the improved stewardships of rivers around the world. According to Mark Angelo, rivers are the arteries of our planet. They are lifelines in the truest sense. Rivers Day aims to remind people about just how important all of the waterways around the globe are to us. River enthusiasts from around the world came together to organize the inaugural World Rivers Day event. First event in 2005 was a great success and Rivers Day was celebrated across the dozens of countries. Since then, the event has continued to grow. It is annually celebrated on the fourth Sunday of every September. The beautiful photographs shown here were taken from Athirappalli and Vazhachal of our state Kerala. Now, Adit of Plus 2 Biology will explain about nature's gift to God's own country, our Kerala.
Is celebrated to raise public awareness about the rivers and the importance of all of the waterways around the globe. The first World Rivers Day was celebrated in 2005 and it turned to be a great success. In India, rivers are divided into two major groups, that is the Himalayan rivers and the peninsular rivers. The rivers of India playing an important role in the lives of the people. In Kerala, we are enriched by the presence of 44 rivers and their tributaries. We know that 41 of them flow westward and 3 to eastward, that is Kabani, Babani and Pampar. In Kerala, river is known as the lovely bird Pura. The biggest river in Kerala is Periyar and the second biggest river in Kerala is Bharatapuzha. It is also known as Nile of Kerala and Ganga of Kerala. It originates from Anamala and flows through Palakkad, Thrissur and Malappuram districts, then falls in Arabian Sea. It is also known as Vannanipura, Shoganashinipura, Perar, etc. Kannadipura, Gayatripura, Tudapura, Kalpatipura, etc. are the main tributaries of Bharatapuzha. The famous festival in Kerala history, Mamangam, was held in the banks of Bharatapuzha at Tirunavaya. The major dam in Kerala, Malambura Dam, was also set in Bharatapuzha. Although Bharatapuzha have an important role in Kerala, not in water supply, but also in the culture and history. But nowadays, the condition of Bharatapuzha is very bad, and we want to take an immediate action against it. Thank you.
Nowadays, the condition of our river is very pathetic. What are the causes of it? Let us listen to Fatima of Plus 2 Biology, our NGC club member.
But it is sad to see that most of our rivers are being increasingly polluted due to our irresponsibilities and negligence. Untreated sewage and waste materials from the industries are continuously being dumped into the rivers. Religious ceremonies, disposal of garlands and flowers, and immersion of idols into rivers can also lead to its river pollution. Once the river starts to get smelly or discolored, it means that it is being polluted. Rivers get contaminated with sulfur or certain bacteria might end up smelling like a rotten egg. High iron levels give rivers an orange color while some are black or purple due to the high manganese levels. When rivers gets polluted, it is us, the living beings, who suffer. During 1950s to 1970s, there was a huge decrease in mammals due to the dangerous pesticides and in rivers. Polluted rivers kills organisms that depend on these rivers and water bodies. Dead fishes, birds, and many other animals often wind up on the riverside. Moreover, they also cause diseases like typhoid, cholera, paratyphoid fever, dysentery, jaundice, malaria, etc. Polluted river can cause severe health hazards to our life.
How sand mining and flood affects our rivers and what is the present condition of rivers will be explained by Aishwarya of Plus 2 Biology, our NGC club member.
Rivers are changing all the time. Humans have modified most of the world's rivers. It is found that indiscriminate sand mining is one of the main reasons for the degradation of rivers. For example, Brahmaputra, one of the major rivers in the state, is in the worst condition. Our state, Kerala, have affected a severe flood during the last 2 years. It affects the living organism of the freshwater ecosystem. The high level of discharge leads to the river breaking its banks and spilling over two plains. Since the industries and pupils' activities have been shut off during the pandemic time in many parts of the world. For example, the Ganga water quality improved remarkably during the lockdown days. But levels will go as soon as the reopens the economy. So let us stand together and pledge we will conserve our rivers. Thank you.